Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your recent search history on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. You can now see all your recent searches. Tap on the small cross button at the right of your screen. Select Clear to clear all your recent search history. And that's it. This is how you delete all your search history on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.